What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make an animated background in Scratch. So let's just get right into it. So what I like to do is I like to take a character, take a cube, whatever you'd like, and basically just copy and paste it many times. You can change the color or whatever, give them different sizes, and yeah, that's pretty much it for the non-coding part. And if you guys want to have a different design than me or just want to skip to the coding, you can go ahead and do that. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy and paste this to make this longer. And just move it to the left. Now you can just Control A and move the whole thing out of frame. So now we're gonna go straight into the coding. So what we're gonna do is when start is clicked, we want it to show. Quickly establish that. And now what we want to do is we want to have it start at 0, 0. Apparently it's at 0, 0. Okay. And then we want to glide 6 seconds to let's just go 1,435. And whatever number comes here, you want to keep that, because the thing is, if you go here and let's put 3,000, it's gonna slide out, and then it's gonna keep sliding until it gets to 3,000. 1,435 is the amount until it is fully out of screen. So you want to keep it to the bare minimum, if you know what I'm saying. So there you go. So now we want it to repeat. So all we're gonna do is repeat forever. And there you go. So yeah, that's it for this video. So it's a pretty simple video, but you can check out my channel for more videos and to get your project done in a good way. So thanks for watching. Bye.